Huh?
Right here. Oh, look at that, Bill. Welcome to Mama Deb's kitchen. Today is just going to be easy peasy. I'm going to show you a quick dessert.
Is that your catchphrase?
Easy peasy. I love easy peasy when it comes to cooking.
Yeah.
That could be my catchphrase.
What about
Mama
real life?
Deb's easy peasy cooking. Now, okay, here's my ingredients right here. I sprayed this in this little pan, and I'm using this kind of pan because I don't want to clean up a sticky mess. So we're going to put some chocolate chips on the bottom. Right, we're going to layer. This is about 8 graham crackers, just broken up. Right?
Who are you talking to?
The camera's right in front of my face. Marshmallows. We're just going to throw them. We're going to just pile, right?
I mean, is that for real?
This is for real. It's called a moresBake.
Some more what?
Some more chocolate, marshmallows, and graham crackers. Okay?
Why didn't you get Hershey's?
Because we went to Aldi and they didn't have Hershey's. Everything I got was at Aldi. We have a new Aldi out here, so I didn't get Hershey's because they didn't have Hershey's. So I wasn't going to go to another store.
You guys know
we're going to add more chocolate.
We filmed both these episodes in one day and that wine is gone from the previous episode.
No, it isn't. Still there. Half a cup taken out, dork.
She's filling it with water.
Yeah. And then you know what we're going to do? We're just going to stick this in the oven. And when we come back, we're going to see how this turns out.
What'd you preheat the oven to?
350. The oven's on 350. I'm assuming I will put it in for about 30 minutes, but I'm going to keep checking. And when I come back, I'll tell you how long I did this for. Doesn't that look kind of funky?
Yeah.
Doesn't look good. Okay. We're going in. We'll be back when it's crispy and gooey. Okay, we're back. And so these have been in for about, I would say about 26 minutes. And I'm going to go ahead and just pull it out of here. It's really hot. I might blow one of these.
Why would you not just have both ready?
I don't know. The pan was small.
Because you're unprofessional.
Ooh, look at this.
Huh?
I'm gonna put it right here. Oh, look at that, Bill.
Who's trying this?
You.
I'm not trying it.
Why?
I don't want it.
Oh my God.
Do I really need to try it?
Yeah.
They told me.
Okay, hold on. I'm just going to make a little dip for you. Oh, that looks good. I'm going to use one of these because those ones are going to be really hot right now, just for your taste test.
Okay. I don't know where to put this, but
I swear?
yeah.
I know, we swear. Eric, do you have a shirt on?
I don't know if I can see anything.
The chocolate's melted. They're just not broken up yet.
Yeah.
These are really good. It looks like it's really good.
Wow.
Where is he? Come here, Eric. Taste this.
You're good. Very much.
I'm going to give you a little bit more chocolate. Oh my God, it's so gooey. Oh shit. It's stuck to me. What do you think?
Was there graham crackers in here too?
Yeah, there's like crispy ones in there.
That's good. I found out these.
Wowza! See all the chocolate in there at the bottom, Bill? Because I layered the bottom.
What?
Yeah, I layered the bottom with chocolate. So now you can just use regular, we can use these graham crackers. But
Okay.
I'm going to have it. It's hot though. Oh, this is a good idea. We're making this, when I have my granddaughter, we're making this again. Thank you for tuning in. All my desserts, hopefully, no, not all. I'm lying right now totally because they're not all going to be easy peasy. Look forward to next week. Not sure what I'm making yet. Have a great week.